Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Kristine Art, where we explore the world of watercolors and painting. Today's short video is about understanding different color tones in nature, in your painting, how to see those different color tones. This is a question I got asked quite frequently, and it's absolutely crucial to create vibrant watercolor painting and implementing different color tones. You might think that the red rose is just red, and now I have another red rose. They are different, but they are red. I will show you one by one red rose. This one is with white spots. This rose is slightly different in form, but it's also red. This is also a red rose. Different variety, but it is red. Let's check another one. This is definitely darker, but still red, right? All roses are red. And another one which is already falling apart, but all these roses red. But let's put them side by side. All these roses that I showed you. Maybe from this video you can't really see how different these roses are, but they all are red. But if we will place a color sample right in front of the rose, now we can start seeing that some rose tends to go more to the yellow side, some red rose goes to the pink side, even bluish side, violet side. Those are cool pigments, and we can clearly see that the rose is more pink, but it is still in a red color tone. This beautiful red rose is so vivid, but there's so many yellow pigment, orangey pigments. If I would paint this rose, I would definitely use Sennelier red or alizarin crimson and a lot of Indian yellow, lemon yellow, because it is more to the yellow side. Also, my color swatches come in handy when I need to find the color tone and also see how different these roses are. And seeing color, different color tones is, for me, it helps when I'm comparing. Like here, I have different red roses, but if I place them side by side, I notice that one is more cooler, closer to pink, other one is warmer, closer to yellow, and all watercolor mixes that I noticed in my color swatch that are more suitable for these roses, there were yellow pigment in that mix. Try this exercise for yourself and see how many different color tones can be in one hue. The richness of your painting comes from observing and reproducing different color tones. Let's go into the garden and compare a little bit more. Here I have a very bright pink rose, but if I place another much brighter pink flower right beside it, we notice that the rose is much warmer and the flower is much cooler. Here my color swatches are again helping, and I have a pink and violet color swatches. They are not good for the rose, but for the flower they're great. But red, warm and cool reds are perfect for the rose. And if I would paint this rose, I would definitely take pink watercolor pigment with some yellows. Here we have a yellow rose, beautiful yellow rose. But if I place another different yellow flower, can you see the difference? One is more redder. This is much cooler yellow flower. The more you practice painting and studying your reference photos or real-life subjects, the more you start to see these color differences. Seeing different color tones takes time and practice. By comparing one flower to another, one leaf to another, your eye will start to adapt seeing different color tones. Go to your garden or to the nearest park. Take your sketchbook with you and color swatches. Make little paintings or experiment with watercolor mixes. This is the best way to learn seeing colors. In summary, Seeing and understanding color tones. This is an essential skill for any artist wanting to create lifelike and dynamic paintings. It might seem complex at first, but with time and practice, you will start to see the world and your art in a whole new light. Thank you for joining me today in exploring different color tones. Don't forget to subscribe for more watercolor painting tips and tricks. And remember, keep painting, keep exploring, and enjoy the process. Thank you, and see you in my next videos.